Cause everybody can lose. Okay, I'm not dying. Whoa, that was a lot.
Yeah.
That was a big one.
I don't know, that's what she said.
Oh, that's gross, Grace. Woo. Great episode. See you guys.
Yeah, okay, bye. We're gonna take a nap now.
Oh. Hey, all you chocolate chip or chocolate chunk lovers out there. Welcome to another exciting episode of the best cooking show ever. 2 chefs.
1 knife.
And good old Aunt Susan's chocolate chip cookie recipe. Hello! Hi.
Hi.
You good with that?
Yeah, I'm good with that. We're bad people.
I'd like to give one more shout out to the Apparel Promotions.
The best jackets ever.
Multi-purpose,
I like
dancing and cooking.
Mm-hmm.
Aunt Susan,
Aunt Susan.
love ya. Thanks for the recipe. Get yourself sorted. I believe last shout out would have to go to my little nephew Ben.
Hi, Ben.
He is a wee cheeky monkey.
Mm-hmm.
Because he would literally eat like 3 or 4 of these cookies and be like, Ben, did you eat the cookies? Did you like them? He's like, no. And as he said no, he would take another one and walk away. They disappeared. You don't know what happened. So as Aunt Susan would say, we got ourselves sorted. Get yourself sorted. Aunt Susan thinks I'm funny. She literally says, darling, you're hilarious.
My mom thinks I'm cool.
I'm Chef MPH.
I'm Chef Grace / Chef Yam. There are many ways of doing chocolate chip cookies, but this is Aunt Susan.
Aunt Susan.
Move over Tasty, move over BuzzFeed, move over Bon Appetit. This is the best chocolate chip cookie.
Aunt Susan approved. Why, hello, all you boys and girls out there. It's Aunt Susan's cookie time. Yeah, so we're gonna throw all the bits. We got to get ourselves all sorted, which we did. Everything is pre-measured, ready to go. It just makes cookie assembly that much faster and better. It's better, quite top drawer, some might say. Not bottom drawer, top drawer. So here we go. We're gonna take some butter. We're gonna throw a little bit of butter. There we go. I practiced for this British accent just as much as Ben Affleck would.
So nothing at all.
We're going to throw a wee bit of vegetable shortening in there. Lovely, lovely. It's quite, and then we're going to whisk them on a very high speed just to blend them together. It's like we're going to marry the 2 fats together. So just like so. Oh, you cheeky little monkeys in there. Look at that. Lovely, lovely. We're going to scrape this down a little bit. We're going to give it a wee scrape. Just like those boys and children used to scrape their knees out on the abbey, we're going to scrape the butter down. I don't know where that came from.
I don't know either.
So the butter and the shortening are well combined. We're going to now add our brown and white sugar to the bowl. Adding more children to the playground, these cheeky little monkeys. Crikey, that's too much. There we go. Scrape it down again. There we go. You need to scrape the bowl down just so you do not get lumps of butter in the middle of your cookie. And there we go. Lovely. So we're going to take our 1 egg, add it to the bowl. And why am I still talking like this? I have not figured it out.
It's raw.
It's raw.
It's raw.
That is a raw egg. So after the egg is all blended, we're switching back to NPH now. My throat's getting tired.
That's what she said.
Ah, that's gross, guys. There we go. I'll scrape down again. Hit me with one more blast here. Bam! And there we go. All right, we got one more dry ingredient to add. Just our vanilla. Throw the vanilla in.
You mean white ingredient?
All right, I'm just gonna take that off for a second because we want to sift this flour into the mix. We don't want any lumpies. We don't want any lumpies in there. And we're gonna also add the baking soda. It doesn't look like soda.
But it has that bicarbonate chemical reaction.
Okay, Bill Nye Science Guy. There we go. So we're gonna incorporate the dry into the wet.
That's what she said.
That is gross, Grace. It's coming together like cookies. So right when your dough starts to look like little pea-sized pearls, that means it's all coming together. So we want to stop whisking it there because we're not gonna whisk. I'm not even whisking. What is this thing called? Paddling. That's it. Wow.
Wow.
All right, we're gonna add some chocolatey chips to this. Lovely. Oh my gosh, too many. Crikey, I'm throwing them everywhere. All right, now we can finish giving it one last little mix just to incorporate those chocolate chips all around. And bam. We will call that a finished batter. You know you make me wanna scoop, scoop-a-doop-a-doop-a-doop.
Alrighty then.
We're gonna take a nice flush scoop of the dough right on the tray. We are making a larger size cookie. You do not have to make them this big. These are like your bake sale cookies. You can charge like $5 a cookie at this size. I know Aunt Susan does not do it this way, and she is not going to approve of the ice cream scoop. She is old school. She just likes to do the hand mound of cookie.
Nothing wrong with that.
There's nothing wrong with that.
No.
That is a life choice that she decides to do. So the question is, how do you scoop your cookie? There we go. We got cookies. You can bake like this. You like to give it a little flattened down, just kind of give it more of that shape. Boom, 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 boom. Done. So as Aunt Susan would say, we got all our cheeky monkeys lined up in a row. Into the oven, 350 degrees, about 14 to 16 minutes. Bloody hell.
Bloody hell.
Yeah, through the magic of television and YouTube. Ta-da! Look at those. They look so good. So now we're gonna have to let them cool, probably 10-15 minutes, and then I believe we got a done cookie. Cookie starts with C. That is a plate of happiness there. All right, ready? Chin chin, tasty taste. Wow. Aunt Susan, hats off to you. You guys just gotta do this recipe.
Yeah,
Like
you have to try it.
It's another secret. I thought you gave them the finger.
No, I was looking. It's not poo, it's chocolate.
Aunt Susan, thank you again for this recipe. Amazing. All you guys out there, give it a try. Like, that's all I can say. Like, you will not be disappointed.
10 out of 10.
11 out of 10. I need
What
an extra
was it?
finger. Give me your hand. Ta-da! 11.